The Crescent City Flotilla operates a Coast Guard 29-foot Respond boat, a Coast Guard certified auxiliary crew here to assist the Coast Guard with their Hilo Ops, perform search and rescue, assist disabled boats with towing, dewatering, and side-by-side towing. Our goal is to have fun and come home alive. Serving both Crescent City and the Eureka area, you too can help save lives by joining the Coast Guard Auxiliary in Crescent City. All auxiliary work is volunteer. For membership and information, call 707-954-5272.